Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm so excited to share my thought on this stunning 100% cotton double bedsheet in a king size featuring a beautiful traditional Jaipur design. Let's dive into the detail. First of the fabric, this bedsheet is made from 100% cotton, which means it's not only soft and breathable but also perfect for year round comfort. You will love how it feel against your skin, especially on those warm nights. Now let's talk about the design. The Jaipuri pattern is rich in culture and add a vibrant touch to any bedroom. The color are vivid yet elegant, making it a fantastic centerpiece for your decor. Plus, it comes with the two matching pillow covers that complete the look beautifully. And unbox this bedsheet was an experience in itself. The packaging was neat and eco-friendly, and which I really appreciate. As I unfolded it, the quality was immediately apparent, and no loose thread or imperfections here. It's clear that this product is made with care. I have been using this bedsheet for a few nights, and I can confidently say it hold up well in term or of comfort and durability. It washes easily too, just a gentle cycle and hang it to dry, and it looks as good as new. If you are looking for something stylish and functional for your double bedsheet, this Jaipur, and definitely worth considering. It elevate my bedroom aesthetics while providing the comfort I need. If you are ready to upgrade your bedding game with a touch of tradition and luxury, check out this 100% cotton double bedsheet. Trust me, you won't regret it. So guys, if you want to purchase this product, then actually link is in description box. You can check it out. Thank you for watching my video, and I genuinely appreciate each and every one of you who takes the time to tune in. Your support means the world to me, and creating content is a journey, and knowing that you are part of it motivated me to keep pushing boundaries and exploring new ideas. Every like and comment share help me grow and improve, and I am grateful for the community we are building together. I strive to deliver content that not only entertain but also inform, inspire, and your feedback is invaluable. So please keep sharing your thought and suggestions. I want to make sure I am providing what you want to see. Remember, this is a two-way street, and your engagement fuel my creativity, and I am excited to continue this adventure with you. If you have not already, make sure to hit that follow button so you don't miss out on the what's next coming. And let's keep the conversation going. I love hearing from you in the comment, so drop your thoughts below or let me know what topics you would like me to cover next. Together we can create something truly special. Thank you for once again for being a part of this journey. Your support is the reason I do what I do, and I can't wait to share more amazing content with you all. Stay tuned, and till then, bye, take care guys. Thank you for watching my video.